Open it.
Good night, chick.
Wow! Come, friend, come.
Wow! What we got?
We're gonna blow this f***ing thing up.
If don't nobody feel ya, feel ya, feel ya, feel ya, feel ya, feel. If don't nobody feel ya, feel ya, feel ya, feel ya, feel ya.
So, we're back. We're finally testing the Nitrous out. And I got my boy Leo here.
This time crazier, man.
Crazy. I got my homie Pat in the back with the G8. We're taking a trip to Mexico real quick, so don't worry, we're not doing anything illegal here. We're being safe, you know, we're trained professionals, so don't worry about that. We're still running the 125 shot. I put 305s on the back. So we're not gonna be spinning out right now. Then I'm gonna race a G8. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a 6.0 Pontiac, 6-liter V8. And then I got another homie here. It's an Infiniti Q60, so I think that'll be a good race too. And if we keep losing, I brought the jets with us, so we'll just up the power. The throw-up bearing is falling apart. Second gear sounds terrible. I don't know, the real question is the transmission gonna blow up first or is the engine gonna blow up first?
Transmission.
All right, Leo, you wanna feel a pull with the Nitrous?
Right now?
Nitrous on. My head unit fell off too.
That's enough?
It's only a 125 shot, so I have no idea what's gonna happen with the 200 shot or something. Oh!
Is that it?
Oh! I don't know, it blew up, bro. I don't know. I think it was just a backfire, we're good.
You think?
The engine's still running. Oh! This was supposed to be blue, my guy. Oh, there's no more air filter. You can see through it.
Look at the air filter.
It burned the whole air filter. Yeah, bro, the air filter, all that black stuff was... F it, let's run it. Hey, who wanna race first? I'll race the G8 real quick. Trying to raise, say start here, up to, I don't know, up to like 60 miles an hour. Yeah, dig.
One, two, three.
Oh, we need the 200 shot, bro. 200 shot, man. Why is this not pulling? Spinning the tires though, that's pretty cool.
Go back. I'll call it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, the clutch is gone, bro. Clutch is gone. Dude, the clutch. Watch, I'm gonna do a pull right now. Okay, now the clutch wants to work.
This shit was
I even tried it again. That shit was like spinning. I mean, it was like a cheap eBay clutch, so it's not.
What did it do? Might as well just swap the engine out.
Should we put a 200 shot on? Just fucking blow it up, put a 200 shot. What are the chances of it like blowing up? Like, whoosh.
Yeah, like
I got 50-50. 50-50.
Real.
Alright, so we're gonna throw the 200 shot on here and just I'll do a quick pull and we'll see what happens. All the way. So when I got this bottle filled up, the guy, I asked him, since I can't take any timing out of the engine, which you're supposed to do when you put nitrous on, he said this 200 shot is basically a 300 shot, and it makes the engine run lean, which is not good, but we're basically putting a 300 shot in this engine, so if this thing can handle it.
That's what I needed right there.
I just get it.
Hit the freeway.
My boy Ben is in the whip.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He hasn't been in the shit at all. So
First timer.
Yeah.
About to find out what the SL500.
Nitrous on. What just exploded back there? Oh! It's not working though! Let's go, man! Oh! He missed it!
Bro, that was the biggest flame I ever seen in a while, bro.
I think we lost the air filter, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh yeah, that shit burned off or something. That nitrous is no joke, dog. 200 shot or go home, bro. That's what you needed, bro. The rolls, bro. The rolls.
The rolls.
Bro, that's crazy.
On everybody, too.
Literally, bro.
Literally everybody.
GA getting it.
Oh, you want
Hey, that shit crazy, bro. With the GA, bro. Right with it, bro.
Oh, I need gas bad. Alright, we gotta go get some gas.
Bro, the flame was the size of the windshield, bro.
Yo, when the flame goes off, I can't see anything.
Me either, bro. Really scary.
Should we hit one more? One more quick pull?
Woo! I'm down. One more quick one.
The air sensor, the mass airflow sensor, definitely fried by now. Listen
Hands
to it.
Down. Oh, beautiful. That sounds beautiful.
It's cam now. Alright, bro, tell me what you saw from the outside.
Like a lot of flames.
Big flames. How was Mexico?